Welcome, in front of me is NOKIA 5.3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't unlock your device using your lock screen pattern. Well, in such case, if you don't have face recognition or fingerprint installed and you can't get access to your device, then the best solution would be taking your time and remembering the pattern you entered the last time. It might take some time, but it will also save a lot of work in the future and might also save your personal information and personal files on your phone, as the only solution that doesn't remove your for this problem that doesn't remove your files is the second thing I wanted to mention, and it's reaching out to Nokia customer service, because in case you can't remember your pattern, then first thing you'll have to do is to contact them and explain the situation, and in case you can provide the proof of the ownership of this device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your phone without removing your data. Now, if you didn't succeed doing that, then the only solution remaining is factory reset. You can erase all data from your phone and regain access to it remotely. If you have a Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, then you can easily erase all your data by accessing your Google account from any other device. And if you don't have this feature installed, then the only solution remaining for you is factory reset. You can perform it using recovery modes on your phone. If you don't know how to do this, we have an entire video on our channel explaining it, the process step by step. So if you're interested, go check it out, and this will erase all data from your device, all your personal files, but this will also let you regain access to it. So that's all for this video. If it helped you, let us know about it in the comments. If you liked it, leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.